Hi guys, so if you are watching this video, that means you want to know how to add lipstick in Photoshop. Now let's try applying lipstick and see how it turns out. Let's select the brush tool and paint over the lips. This method is what most have tried, right? Now, if we change the blend mode, how will this look? Let's change the blend mode to overlay. Maybe change the opacity a little bit. See, we have applied pink lipstick here. And it looks kind of good, right? Now, what if I tell you that there is a better way to do this? Yes, let me show you. Let's delete this layer. Now select the magnetic lasso tool and start selecting the lips outer edge. Be very gentle with the magnetic lasso tool. Once you have successfully traced the lips outer edge, hold down the Alt key and click inside the lips like here. While pressing the Alt key, you will notice the icon change to a minus sign. Click here and start selecting the inner edge of the lips. Carefully drag your pointer over the outline and don't forget to click to create points at certain places. This will delete the inside selection from the outer selection. With the lips selected, go to adjustment layer and create a solid color layer with your desired color. I am going with pink here. Once you are done, go to filter, blur and select convert to smart object. Oh sorry, my mistake. I meant to select the Gaussian blur. Set the radius to what you think is good. Now the main step. Go to blending mode and select multiply. Boom. This looks good, right? Now we can make this look even more realistic. Wanna know how? Double click on this layer. The layer style panel should pop up. Drag the slider to a point where you see something like this, then back off a little. Now alt click the slider and drag it toward the white to the point where enough textures are visible. Same for the white slider. Alt click and drag it toward the black so that glows and shine are visible. After you're done, click OK. Now isn't this much better? It looks much more realistic. Now you try it yourself. If you are interested in learning more about Photoshop, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos.